It's a bold move.
We're talking about Harry and Meghan here. So we talk like we know them properly.
I know, right?
Harry and Meghan.
Our friends.
They've changed the way you address them now. Apparently, he is Harry, the Duke of Sussex.
Sussex.
Sussex. Yeah.
Well, the folks, they've got a chance to start fresh, no?
Yeah.
Canada. I'm going to a place.
Yeah, man. Well, you know, the Canadian people, them say they don't want to use them tax money and look after them.
Well, if they want to start fresh in Canada, do they have to? I mean, I guess all of those details are going to have to be worked out, but they're leaving. They're leaving to start fresh in Canada without the burden of their status as Royal Highnesses. I said that right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So Harry and Meghan will no longer be able to represent the Queen. They've agreed to repay taxpayer funds that were used to renovate their home in Windsor Castle. And no, they're not so royal.
So here's my question.
I think that's cool, guys.
I think it's
Go
brilliant.
do your thing.
I think it's brilliant. But did she not know what to expect going into the royal
Oh, you can
family?
know what to expect, no?
Then
when you
your
walk
husband
into
to me
that.
now would I tell you, say?
No, well, I mean, obviously you think you know what you're going to expect, and then you get in there and it happens times infinity.
Yeah.
You know, you either decide you're going to stick with it and probably dead, and I mean, you're talking about Meghan, but it was as much Harry's choice. I mean, I wasn't there when they decided, but people make it seem as if, she was the one who... remember Harry gave an interview where he said he saw what it did to his mother.
Yep.
And he's not going to allow it to happen to his family.
Yep.
So it was a seemed to have been a co-decision.
Yeah.
And I wish him the best.
Yeah,
I
man.
really do. I think
I
it'll
like
be
it.
okay.
I like it. I like Harry. I want to meet Harry.
Yes, you
Yeah.
have said that
Yeah, man, I like that. I like
1,000
Harry.
times.